Hello everybody, welcome back to SUBSCIBE, and today we're just casually just going to Leeds and like going to Cottingley as well because that station is closing, and also we got bored so we're just going to the Rail Museum as well in York, so it's just a bit of a thing. So we're currently here at Liverpool Lime Street, and so we've got class, whatever they were, they were 331s or whatever the hell they are called. So here we have this is our lovely vehicle. And then we actually have a travel companion.
Yay!
Yay! Yeah, so I'm here with mate Mason and yeah. So we just gotta wait till this train can get on because this is really big.
We're just gonna go on the train.
Yeah, and also just want to add on, we did go to we did try and film a Manchester trip and then we just abandoned it halfway through because basically when we meet up we just don't stop talking and we just forgot to record it.
That's so true. We mostly forgot to. I don't think I was actually meant to film.
Yeah, we were because we did the intro at Southport Station.
You did the oh yeah. Oh yeah. Anyway, so we're just gonna get on
Go.
this TPA down to Leeds.
And then we've got to go on the train to Cottingley and then the train.
They don't know where I'm going yet.
Oh. I'm just looking at typing.
I don't know if they Shut.
If you just hear me sing Coldplay tunes, just blame my Spotify. When you're at Liverpool Lime Street, you put.
You don't have any knickers on your head?
I should.
That person's face.
Here we are just on the train now, and we are just should slowly be deep in the next couple minutes will be departing, so I'm just going to end this video now and just wait. So we have just made it to Leeds, so we are just going to. So we are going to a pre-planned destination that we are not disclosing yet.
Let's just buy it.
What? Let's just get these tickets and get the fuck out of here.
Yeah.
So I don't know why I've got this on. Basically, on one of the Macy's adventures, and may as well God gave us these lanyards, so that's why I'm wearing it. Not because I'm a weirdo. Not because I'm a weirdo. It's just that.
Left.
So here we go. So I'll see you after I've got the ticket. So you don't know the destination, but it's technically you already do because you read the title. So here we are now at Leeds. And so today now we are boarding. We're just waiting for our second train to take us to our first secret location of the video. You've probably read the title, but I might not phrase it exactly, you don't know.
158.
Woo woo! And just remind me never to start ever again. So we are here at Leeds Station. So as you can see here, this is oil from the diesel units. I don't know why that's like that, but it is. And so we are just waiting for our train to take us one stop to our first secret location.
You've already explained it to them where we're going.
And so we've got a 150 over there, lad. It's over there. You can just see it there. You'll see it in a second, though you won't. It's going to go behind the path.
I don't think it's stopping there.
No. Would have been.
No, it's
And it's not stopping apparently.
no, it's not stopping there. It's stopping on the other platform on one side.
And also to say that's our train then, but that's clearly a northern CAF unit. So that is a nice shot, that. Get a picture of that. So as you can see here, our train is now approaching. You cannot see it, but trust me, in 10 seconds it shall appear. Right in 3.
Okay, so our train is literally just approaching the platform. So I'm just going to do a little fade to glass, and we should be at the station. So remind me to do a camera transition.
Right,
Okay.
and so now we're going to do the Slappy Band transition, and you'll see us at our first location. Goodbye. Bye. And now it's time for that time of the video where we do the train loo review. So we got here inside the unit like this, a couple of power sockets here. We've obviously got the door here, and you've got the locks, and so you've got the soap. You've got your soap, water, and wire, which actually works for once, which is surprising. And so here we go. So that is the Josh Dover loo review. I got a 2! I got a 2! What?
The reason why we're here is because.
And we are here now at our mystery station of Cottingley. Yes, so for the first and last time, this is probably the only time I'm going to be set foot on to this station, as this is closing very soon.
Due to like the distance between the two stations, it means that possibly will be closing down soon. So it's roughly around late 2025 to early 2026 now that White Road should be finished.
Yeah.
And that also means Cottingley will have its last life. Last life, what you want to call it?
It'll be on it. It'll be having its last few moments.
Yeah.
And sadly, we should really just start taking these fences with us, or just take a sign with us here, Cottingley.
Yeah. So. But yeah, pretty much it's just a 2-platform station with a bridge to go over. You've got 2 station shells.
It's only got 1 signal for 2 platforms.
You've also got dot matrices. The station shelters are on. You got one.
And yes, also.
And it's about the platform.
I didn't know they existed.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Well,
fun.
yeah, it's
Right.
quite empty really.
So now we have 2 platforms here with about enough rails to service train station.
So yeah, Cottingley will be closing down soon. And
Yeah,
there's
so
the main
this
farewell to
station.
this station.
Yes. You should really.
We decided to come over and film today.
But there's a
To
like
dedicate.
twist in the story, isn't there? In the plan.
Oh yeah, is there? Hold on. Right, well I'm gonna discuss it because it's a different video. Are you talking about York?
Yes.
Oh. Okay. Well, that'll be a different
Yeah.
video.
And so basically I'm gonna combine all my videos together, make one long video, day trip, and then each part will have its own little mini video. So we're here at Cottingley. So what's up guys, welcome back to Just Over. So you'll be watching that little bit there, will be played at the start at Leeds, and then we'll be doing this little cotton. So as you can see here, we've got a foot. Can we get on the footbridge?
Yeah, just
And so here to Mancunion Piccadilly is the trains this way. So Manchester's that way, Leeds is the other way. There's only 1 signal for 2 platforms. Why? I don't know. So I'm going to try and find a ticket machine and buy a platform ticket, because why not? Because it's funny.
I don't think they do on the ticket machines.
Well, we're going to find out, because Jeff Marshall bought one from somewhere. I do have 1 platform
Are you
ticket.
talking about the pay to travel machine?
Yeah.
I think they stopped them.
Shut up.
Them fences look like the ones you see in the airport.
They do. They
I
do.
always love them kind of things. Oh, I see a ticket machine. I see an Amazon
Amazon?
thingy.
Amazon?
Do you know one of them lockers?
Yeah.
They have the oh.
Tren.
Go past. I might go past. I'm not too sure. Maybe.
So we've got a green light, so it's going to wait here for a
No, I'm going on the other platform.
tren.
There's the
Hang on. So how do I work this? Is it M card? I haven't got one. Oh. That's sad. Don't have any. So we're just going to go on the bridge and wait for a train now. That's coming, so this is obviously Cottingley. We'll just have a look. So it is weird being here in Leeds. And so this is a S. And so here we go. Everywhere's wet. Everywhere's wet. Wet. I don't know how you work it.
oh, you don't know how to work it.
No.
So we just made it on the footbridge and so there is no reason to use the station. So from the Manchester bound platform, it is a lovely sight.
It is a lovely sight.
It is so lovely.
Right, I'm gonna go on the platform, wait for this train.
Yeah. I feel like when it comes in, I'm going to take a photo of it as it comes in, then run over.
Yeah.
Because I feel like this shot is too good to not do.
And so basically, have you seen this view? It echoes.
It echoes.
Echo!
Well, yeah, that's the lovely view, and I really, really love it.
So if I stand where Mason was, that is a really nice view.
You're
Oh
just
my God.
copying what I do.
Oh my God, literally. Imagine,
So good.
Mason, stand here, wait for the train to leave.
Yeah.
How nice would that view be?
Literally so good.
Of the train going round.
Mm.
We're waiting for that.
What time is the train on? 23 minutes past, I think it was.
So is that what I'm going to go through first?
What?
It did say there was one coming.
Yeah, 23 minutes past, but there might be like one going through, I don't know. I'll have a look at RTT.
Yeah.
I'll have a look at RTT for it.
Yeah, true. Hey, how?
They are very safe.
What?
They are very safe. 11:18, 11:16.
So we've got quite a few temps here coming to night shot because we've got like, it's like 3 or 4 services.
2.
Oh, just 2 services.
2.
So yeah,
They both come out 21 minutes past.
but the one will be stuck behind the other though.
Yeah.
So I
Yeah,
think,
looks nice.
yeah, you're in my way.
You're in my way.
You still stand that side.
No.
What about that? What about that? Oh, you need to view.
You can't.
I hang on.
Sit down, but like.
That sit on your bag.
No, it's got me headphones on it.
Now, if you see that view there, so that is actually a really nice view. So this is from Mancunion Piccadilly. Technically, it's like an East Yorkshire riding. This is. Do you want to see West Yorkshire riding?
In northwest of England. I think it's in the west of Yorkshire. Yorkie.
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 Josh, don't shout.
This is funny. What time's the train? How long till the train?
21 minutes past.
Going that way.
24 minutes past. Going from that way?
Going that way.
Oh, going that way, 21 minutes past.
It's literally here in a minute.
Okay. Just look
Not there.
oh yeah, you have power.
Yeah. Train.
Our train.
Is it ours?
Yeah.
Run.
Back, Josh.
Platform 5A was a 12:50
What? No.
express.
I'll crouch down so it won't be
Liverpool
shot.
Prime Street via Manchester Victoria, order Leeds, Dewsbury, Huddersfield, Stalybridge, Manchester Victoria, Newton and Willows, Lee Green and Liverpool Lime Street. This train has 5 coaches. Some stations have short platforms. If you are travelling to Newton and Willows or Lee Green, you will need to travel in the front 3 coaches of the train. Please stand back from the platform edge until your train comes to a complete stop. First class accommodation can be found in Zone 11. Standard class is Zone 7 to 10. And further wide.
What's up guys, welcome back to Just Over, and today we are doing something to do with that building just there and also this. So put this and that building together, you'll work out what we're doing. We are here in York and we are going to the National Rail Museum. Hopefully we are trying to hunt down an icon of British Railways, probably the most loved train ever created, the class 152 pacer. We'll just watch this train depart, so just get a nice picture of the train departing. Also, here we go.
You must buy a ticket before boarding this train.
So here we have an Eleanor resume, just if you are interested. So we'll just see if this train departs or not. Yes, it will. So here we go. So here we go then. So we'll see you on the way.
It looks like
So here we are. We are just
actually
walking. As you can see, his phone case is on theme. Mine is not. Mine's. I've got a Man City phone case on.
It is freezing.
And I do apologise for the shaky hand cam.
Yeah.
Also,
I do have the tripods, but I don't know if they allow tripods in the Rail Museum.
yeah. So also, basically, our mission is to find the pacer. We did see half a pacer in.
There's a pacer. There is a pacer in Huddersfield.
There is half a pacer in
Which
Huddersfield.
we kind of just like jaw dropped ourselves. But yeah, right, we're gonna walk over to the museum.
Because even though some people hate them, we love them.
them.
I actually, if you do watch this channel, you will notice I do have a model train of a pacer, a model pacer that is got its yeah. I should have brought the pacer.
Well, we didn't think that would be here today.
Next time I come, bring Pendo and bring pacer.
Okay. Is there a Pendo here?
I don't know. So we'll see it in a little bit. So here we are. We're just approaching the British National. I keep calling it
The
British.
National Railway Museum.
It's the National Rail Museum. I kind of want to raid the gift shop first.
Why?
Because
then we can plan out if we're getting food or not in the Wendy's.
yeah.
Oh, I actually really want to go to the Wendy's.
I want to go Spoons.
Yeah.
Basically, we're in Leeds and we found the Spoons in the station. We kind of
Yeah.
and we stood and they keep craving Spoons.
I can't wait for their day again. Depends on the price as well.
To be honest, Spoons is quite cheap. To be fair. This is so weird. Wait. That's sick, that, isn't it? I love this place. Yeah, so basically guys, that is it for the train museum. Basically, yeah, so there'll be pictures on Instagram on Just Over Trains. Not sure whether there'll be a link in the description if I can remember to put one in or not. So that is it for the Rail Museum. Good fun, but just a bit of pain in the arse. I wasn't a pacer. But we do need to go to Darlington and see it there.
We're not going to Darlington.
At some point in the near distant future.
We're going to Leeds.
And so, but however, there might be one at Huddersfield, so might get out of Huddersfield and see.
We'll see if we have time.
And next up we're going to Spoons. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and shall see you on the flippy flop. Goodbye. And so we've just left the Railway Museum and I did accidentally film the wrong outro in the wrong place. Oh well, I'm an idiot. So So now we're going to go to Spoons and have some spoons. See you. So we'll cut to us on the train. Goodbye. Right.
My toe, my little toe on my right foot.
Imagine it's Grand Central.
I was gonna say, imagine it's a pizza.
It's Lumo?